Say I'm man gonna work, so I'm good.
Doors open. Come in.
Hold on, man.
Hey, baby.
I'm getting after that.
No, I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, wait for me. I'm taking sweet up, alright?
Okay.
Everything good, though?
Just been missing you.
Listen, man. I said, can you tell your boyfriend?
Just hurry up, because I don't want to meet you.
Where he at?
Get me some food.
You gave some food?
Yeah.
So you come out there?
Yeah, baby.
Tired still, it's good. Careful, and what? What do you mean? My girls. What I do, no. My 23 years old. No, I'm. Mother, already? 1 second. It's too much time to be able to eat the video.
The sugar you fast, them even see me. You're so tight. Man, when you get eat your fuck. Too much time, I will clean the video. I'm not fresh, I'm going to be the video. I'm some food, I'm not be the video.
I'm fine.
Mr. Chop. What you do over here, Chop? Just answer. What you do over here? What you shake for? And me if you're shaking a youth. Y'all have condom. Short man a deal with man. Short man. No! One blood clot. Short man. Short man. Don't touch me. How you touch me for? Move! Hey, boy. Boy.
Stop!
Boy.
Wait! Stop! Stop!
Come on.
Stop!
Bumbo clock. You're fucked.
I'm pregnant! Baby, are you okay?
Isn't this a dog, baby?
Baby,
Eh? Oh, you just say you breathe?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breathe. Yeah, man, you're pregnant, man. Oh, him gone, you know. But at the past tense, me I left. And that me I do because.
Baby.
Stink. Stink like midget.